Hello, I'd like to show you now how to use LessonBuilder to tweak an existing roadmap, to tweak an existing lesson. Our sense is that LessonBuilder will be used by curriculum developers to create roadmaps, to create lessons, but the teachers will take roadmaps, lessons, and change them, differentiate them, localize them, contextualize them, make the lessons fit their particular classroom needs. So let me show you how one teacher might take a lesson about fractions for grade 3 and make it a little different. In particular, the video that is already in the lesson is a good video. We'll launch it, and you can sort of take a look at it. It does teach the kids some things about fractions, but it doesn't talk about numerators and denominators. It doesn't give the language of fractions. So I would like to add another video that that talks about numerators and denominators. So I'm going to go to YouTube and search for fractions, children, and yes, let's learn fractions. I've seen this before. It's only 2 minutes, but this one really does explain about numerators and denominators. So let me click on it. Yep, that's the one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now grab the URL. I'm going to copy the URL and of the YouTube. I'm going to go back to my lesson. And so now the question is, how do I create a learning activity, another node, a learning activity, and put it inside this roadmap? Well, you see this little plus down here at the bottom? If I click on the plus, a menu comes up. These are all the potential learning activities, nodes, that I can create in a roadmap. You could use all the Google applications, or you could use some of ours, the Collaborify. I'm going to use this web resource. That is a node that will handle a URL. Virtually anything on the internet, any open educational resource could in fact be used. There it is. I'm going to click here, and I've captured the URL already, so I'm going to paste it there, okay, and I'm going to call this video about fractions, and I should fill in the instructions. Always you give instructions to the kids. Please watch this video, and etc., etc. Okay, just for the sake of argument. I don't like that circle, so I'm going to change the style. I'll make it a rectangle and make it orange. Move it over here. Okay, so that was how, in some sense, simple it was to add a new learning activity. I clicked down here at the plus. I selected one of these learning activities from the palette, and bingo, there it is. But now I got to connect it in. I want to put it after the first video. So I do need to delete this link. So I clicked on the link. I delete the link. Yep, I do want to delete it. And so I want to go, there it goes. So first you're going to watch this video, then you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to draw something, okay? Let's put some names on the links. Draw. Okay, and this one is a watch. There you go. Let's move it down a wee bit so that we can get there. And there you go. I've added a new learning activity. Took me all of 25 seconds, 30 seconds to add a new learning activity. And the children would click on the learning activity, launch it, and there it is. There we go. There's the video. So let's go back to the roadmap, close the drawer. There you have it. How to add a node in LessonBuilder. Thank you.